In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Microsoft Excel. This integration can streamline your workflow by automatically synchronizing data between your Trello boards and Excel spreadsheets, saving you time and minimizing errors from manual data entry. To get started with integrating Trello and Excel, the first thing you need to do is head over to Trello's website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. You can choose to sign in using your existing Trello credentials, or if it's more convenient, you can use a linked account like Google or Microsoft to access Trello. Once you're logged in, it's time to create a new board. If you're unfamiliar with this process, creating a board is quite straightforward. You simply need to give your board a name and choose an appropriate background. Boards are central to how Trello organizes tasks and information, so be sure to set it up in a way that reflects the project or workflow you're managing. With your Trello board ready, the next step is to click on the Power-Ups button. Power-Ups in Trello are fantastic tools that add extra features and integrations to your boards, and they're very easy to manage. By clicking on this button, you'll gain access to a variety of tools that can enhance your Trello experience. In the Power-Ups search bar, type in Excel plus Trello two-way sync. This add-on is specifically designed to bridge the gap between Trello and Excel, allowing data to flow seamlessly between the two. Follow the on-screen prompts to install this Power-Up. The installation process is user-friendly and will guide you step by step. Once the Power-Up is installed, you'll need to connect your Trello account with your Microsoft Excel account. This step is crucial as it enables the data exchange between the two platforms. After connecting your accounts, you'll have the chance to set up your workflow. Consider what data you want to move between Trello and Excel and how frequently you want these updates to occur. Setting up this workflow will ensure that data synchronization happens according to your needs. Now that the setup is complete, it's time to test your integration. Testing is an important step to ensure that everything is working smoothly. Initiate a sample data sync to check whether the data is transferring as expected between Trello and Excel. If you encounter any issues, go back and revise your settings. Once you're satisfied with the test results, you can launch your integration. By doing so, you'll automate the data transfer, allowing you to focus on more critical aspects of your work with the assurance that your data is being accurately and efficiently synchronized. And there you have it, a quick yet comprehensive guide to integrating Trello with Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating!